how to add driver's license to Apple Wallet. For this, we will need to go to the App Store first, and you want to search for an application called Pass to You. This is basically going to add our driver's license to Apple Wallet. You want to get this application that looks like this. I already have it, so I'm just going to click on Open. And here we want to click on the plus sign at the bottom right, and then we'll apply a pass template. Now, what we want to do here is use the search bar to search for Texas driver's license, or depending on your state. Okay, so Texas drivers, and you will see Texas driver's license. It's going to look like this. And here we can click on any of the fields to change them depending on our license plate or our driver's license. So legal name, you can click on the pencil icon and type out your legal name, date of birth, and so on and so forth. So here you can fill out all of your information depending on your driver's license. Afterwards, we'll click on done, and then we just gotta click on add, and I'll just show you that this works. I'm gonna go into my Apple Wallet, and as you can see, we have this Texas driver's license that's coming from the application. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.